In the 10th canto of Bhagavatam, Krishna speaks 9 verses glorifying the Brahmins. There's 2 persons, Shrutadev and Bahulasva. King Bahulasva is a Raja, and Shrutadev, naturally, Shruti, the Shrota, he's a Brahmin. And when Krishna goes to see the, Shrutadev actually, when he goes there, Shrutadev shows so much respect for Krishna. Oh, Krishna, you're so great, and this and that, and he honors him, because he's Bhagavan, it's his Ishtadev. And Krishna says, that's nice. And he says, Shrutadev, you're honoring me, but there's so many Brahmins traveling with me. There's like Shukadev Goswami and Chavana Rishi and all the great Rishis and Brahmins you could imagine. Devala and Narada and all these great Munis and Rishis are traveling with Krishna in Dwarka Lila when he visits Shrutadev. And then Shrutadev he says, you're not honoring and respecting the Brahmins. Krishna's preaching. Then he preaches 8 verses about the glories of the Brahmins. He said, Shrutadev, you should understand that a Brahmin, just by being born and just by his janam, forget about guna and karma and all these things, so just by his birth in a Brahmin family, he is a guru, he is to be honored and respected as guru and worshipped, just by his birth. Sri Bhagavan Uvacha. This is Bhagavat Puran, Mukhya Puran. So when you read Shastra, because you may hear so many things as you move here and there, many men, many minds. Bahumanush, Bahuman. So people say, oh, it's by guna and karma you're a Brahmin, and by guna and karma you may be a very, very good Brahmin. But simply by janam, it's not a joke. What is the adhikar to take that birth? What kind of guna you develop or karma you have is due to your sanskaras and your training in this life, which is, of course, your samskaras and fortune or bhagya. So so we know all these things. So when you have knowledge, then you have to act on it. So he's a worshipful person.